In this video, you are going to learn how you can delete a Facebook chat. What we are going to do is look for Facebook to delete the conversation. I have to going to send an email to other person. Okay, we can see this chat and I send the email. The email you press in and more and delete. Remove to unsend or remove for you. Okay, go back. The second option is press under the chat and delete all conversation. And that's all, guys. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel